Menteri Rangba Kajela ukorat ke sangma ulaong baha kane ke election chitang samoy ka parti NPP kan job suk nabaro laitli ki constituency ya kane Menteri Rangba ulaong habakran syaklar pthai kubor hadin bala dethap kerteng ki arngut ki kartong ke NPP namo rengkanang namo plang constituency ha office ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district Henry Upen Paupat baka parti kan om kinsting ya kano ka parti Henry Kintrish Tom kanang baki kartong jong ka parti kanyo ka jingjob ka election chitang samoy halai teli ki constituency bagantuk hamau rengkanang mau plang baraja bala kanlong hakalai pohoterik mtau banai hadin balai ngut ki MLA kila khatno.
We are very confident that in all the three constituencies, NPP will come out victorious. But as a party and as candidates and as leaders, we cannot take things lightly. There is no question of being overconfident. We know that the people will support us, but it is our duty to work till the last and ensure that we win with the maximum margin as possible. So we will work hard, and with the kind of support we're getting and the response we're getting from the people, I'm very sure that in all the three constituencies, we'll come out with flying colors.
It's heavy anti-incumbency against NPP government. So what will be your agenda?
You see, there is the question of anti-incumbency does not arise. We have been working very hard. We have been doing a lot of developmental works. People have been seeing it. There are issues and concerns which every government has and faces. We are not saying that everything has been perfect. But if you look at the overall work that has been done in the last 3.5 years, especially with the challenge of COVID in front of us, the government has done its best that it could. And therefore, we are quite confident that people will see all of that and respond in a positive manner. At the same time, the people will also look at the individual candidates who have done a lot of work. Bapinyad has been a person who has been an elected representative from there, and he has done a lot for his people. Similarly, Mantri Bla has been a person who has been elected 4 times from his constituency. So people have connection with them, people have love for them, and I'm sure that their personal rapport with the people will also reflect very positively in this election. And we are sure that with their personal rapport and the support of the party, we will win all the 3 seats in the by-election. Well, it depends on which Congress is talking about it, because there seem to be 3 or 4 Congresses right now. The divided house that is there in the Congress first has to get their house in order. So really, I think the Congress does not have the luxury right now to really look at us and blame or try to point fingers at us. It's important that Congress should get their house in order first, should sort out their differences. But I don't think that will be possible. And in this election, we have already seen large differences coming out. And therefore, we are very confident that whatever they say is not going to have an impact in the sense that they are not united themselves. On the other hand, the work that we have done is for everybody to see. Therefore, we are confident that people will see all the work. In spite of the challenges we faced, people will see the work and will vote for the candidate of the NPP in this election.